Hi, I'm Lorna from wearablyweird.com, and in this video I'll be answering, how long do Crocs last? When looking to get your first pair of Crocs, a common query many have is, how long do Crocs last and are they worth the money? It's important to have all the information before purchasing your first pair to ensure they will perform the way you expect. I am a long-term customer and fan of the Crocs brand, and I've owned so many pairs. In this video, I'll be providing answers for you, including my own personal review of Crocs. Crocs typically last between 3 and 5 years with everyday wear. With proper care and less frequent wear, Crocs can last for up to 10 years. If used exclusively for indoor wear, they can last even longer than this. If you're using your Crocs for everyday activities like short walks with the dog or running errands, you will get many years out of them. Heavy footfalls or longer periods of daily wear will depreciate the Crocs-like soles much quicker, so there are varying results depending on the individual person's habits. Even with daily wear, the inside soles of Crocs won't wear down easily. Usually the nub design on the inner soles of Crocs are still going strong, even when the outsoles are worn with many years of use. The outsoles are tough and can withstand many years walking on concrete sidewalks. Of course, if you only wear your Crocs for something like gardening, then the outsoles will last a lot longer because you're only going to be walking on dirt or grass. Wearing your Crocs when walking on rugged, rocky terrain, like rocky dirt paths, will cause them to depreciate faster, however. I definitely wouldn't suggest walking in your Crocs on rugged or uneven terrain at all. This will scuff the soles of your Crocs quickly, causing scratches or possibly tears to the Crocs-like material. It's also unsafe, as Crocs aren't proper walking footwear. Despite being non-slip, they just aren't made for rough terrain. In my personal experience, Crocs tend to last me 5 years or more. I've owned pairs that have been used for indoors exclusively and pairs that I've used for many outdoor activities like summer strolls or grocery shopping. I've never experienced any serious damages to my Crocs, and the straps and soles have lasted years. If you enjoyed this video and found the info helpful, it'd be awesome if you could hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more from me. Thanks!